Good morning, beautiful ladies. Yeah, this is Janamua. Thank you for watching. And now, today I'm gonna show you on how to make a simple sultry eye makeup look. First, I'm going to pat a little bit of eye cream or eye primer also on the bottom of my eye and also on the top of the eyelid. So make sure that you are using the eye primer to make the eyeshadow more vibrant and more manageable. So when you use your brush, it's gonna be easy for you to sweep back and forth if you have the eye primer or the eye cream. So just like that, that's the first and second base. So you have to choose like a little bit darker on your skin tone, and then as you can see that I sweeped it just like the motion of the windshield wiper. And this is the third. It's a little bit, like a little bit reddish part of it or pinkish, but not super red, just like maybe a little bit too darker on your skin tone. Yeah, we're gonna use a lot of words like darker or lighter. That's the skin tone, okay, guys? So it's up to you guys, whatever you prefer. But of course, you're gonna go for the basic. So this one, so I'm making a line to make an eye optical illusion on this part, so it looks like that you have a very big eyelid. So the next one is, oh, but make sure that you are going to blend it well. That's the secret for having a beautiful and clean eye shadow or eye makeup. All right, so as you can see here that I'm brushing it off or just evenly, okay? Just do the little stroke. You don't need to put a lot of item on the brush. This secret is like few tap or pat and little strokes. Just trust the all the process so you could see and get the right, effect or result. And this one, as you can see that I put the dark blue, right? But blending it well, it makes lighter and lighter. And I put the lighter shade on the left and right side of the eyelid. So, and on the center, I added like yellow or gold tone. So it will pop. And you can see here, I changed the light effect on my face. So as you could see the vibrance of the yellow or the yellow gold. If you are going to a lot of photo shootings like that, the effect is the more lights on your face, the lesser of the color of your face or the color of your makeup will get. But if you're just going to use this style for daily use, of course, it's not going to be, I'm not going to recommend you, with this touch of sultry for everyday use. This is only like for night or night hangout with your friends or with your boyfriend or your husband. And sometimes if you have like gala or any, corporate companies like that, parties, this is nice too. And also for the weddings or debut, sweet 16, quinceañera, this is good. But for everyday, no, this is a little bit harsh or a little bit too much. So as you can see here that I put highlights on the corner of your eyebrow bone. This one makes your eyes pop too. And then this is, when the light is striking on our face, gives the highlights. So you put highlights only on the part that is like elevated or exposed. And then if you really need to do some contour, of course, you're going to use the right side or right part of your face. So make like an even tone or even makeup. So now I'm putting an eyeliner on under my, yes, like that, under the waterline. So just be careful because it's really ticklish. So I'm a little bit sensitive for that. And then here I'm making a little bit of the wing. So because I'm going to use the magnetic eyelashes, so really doesn't need to put bigger wing, if you have already like magnetic or a little bit thicker lashes later on. As you can see, this is magnetic and this is very good. This is glamnetic and this is really like phenomenal. As you could see, I only put it like in less than 2 seconds and voila. So I used my liquid liner. Of course, there's like a little bit of lead so that the magnetic will catch like that. And see, simple but fierce and sultry eye makeup look. And I hope you learned something from me. And please don't forget to follow, like, share, and subscribe. And enjoy your eye makeup routine like that. And I'm gonna give you some more tips next time. Thanks a lot.